Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is our crochet series. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to do an increase stitch with a single crochet. We have our size 4 acrylic yarn here and a size 4 crochet hook. This one I got from the Woobles kit. So I already have our magic circle with some single crochets begun here. If you don't know how to do the magic circle or a single crochet, make sure you go back to our previous videos and learn how to do that because you will need those steps to do an increase stitch. Right, to do an increase stitch, go ahead and assume your position with your hook in your right hand, your yarn in your left hand. If you are left-handed, this will be mirrored. And we're going to do exactly what we did before with a single crochet. So go ahead and make your first single crochet. Yarn going under, yarn over, pull up, yarn over and pull through. That is your first half of your increase. Now to do your increase, you're going to go and do the exact same thing, but you're going to do it in the same stitch you just did. So looking at our crochet, you have your next stitch here, and then the stitch we just made is pulling through right here. So to do an increase, we're going to take our hook and go into that hole that we just came out of and do another single crochet. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over through both loops. And that is how you do an increase stitch. The purpose of an increase stitch is to increase the round and make your project bigger. So we're going to go ahead and do another increase. So moving on to our next stitch, increase, we're going on yarn under, under both loops, yarn over, yarn over, pull through, going back in that same hole we just came out of, going yarn in, out, pull through, and that is your increase stitch. Well guys, I hope you learned something today. Make sure you give the video a like and a subscribe for more videos, and I will see you next time.